Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a network diagram in Draw.io. A network diagram helps visualize connections between devices, systems, and network components clearly. First, open Draw.io and click on the plus icon at the top. Then click on Template, select Network, and you will see several network diagram templates appear. Choose the template you like and click Insert to add it to your canvas. Let's say I want to add this one. Just click on it and click Insert. You will see that a network diagram has been successfully added. If the template does not fit your needs, you can delete it and create your own diagram instead. Go to the settings on the left-hand side and click on More Shapes. Scroll down until you find Network. Here you'll see several options such as Network 2025 and Network 2018. Toggle the ones you need and click Apply. Once applied, scroll down and you will see the network shapes added. Drag and drop these icons onto the canvas to build your custom network diagram. And that's settings. We just learned how to use templates and network shape libraries to create network diagrams in Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.